And there we have it. Oh, Amiga 1200, new case, new keycaps. I'll see. Ah, yeah. Special made case patch with the black chicken lip logo and the new keycaps. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. In person, the case it's sold as grey, but it's more like bluish grey. But yeah, from a pile of rust to this. I love it. I really do. Yeah. The new keycaps. Well, what do I think about them? Yeah, they are great. The old keycaps. It's this. They were quite yellow. It's not beautiful. So yeah, I'm pleased with these new keycaps. It's just beautiful, this. I love it. Well, I'm going to enjoy this. Yeah, thank you for watching.